Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Black color, brown color, sky blue color, light green color, dark blue color, orange color, pink color, violet color, red color, green color, yellow color, sky blue color, sky blue color. This color is sky blue. Say with me, sky blue color. This is sky blue color. Next color is pink color. Say with me, this is pink color. Pink color. Say with me, this is pink color. Say with me, this is pink color. And next color is green color. This color is green. Green color. Green color. And next color is red color. Say with me kids, this is color red. Red color. This color is red. Red color. Red color. Next color is dark blue color. Dark blue color. Dark blue color. Dark blue color. Next color is orange color. Orange color. Orange color. This is orange color. Orange color. Sky blue color, pink color, green color, red color, dark blue color, and orange color.